Back in April, a Sakizaya man from the Kaluluan community, Zhang Mu-sheng, was collecting sand on the beach to mend the wall of his house. He was subsequently charged with violating the Sandstone Law and carrying a potentially lethal weapon. On June 30th, the court chose not to sentence Zhang, nor was he fined.
Back in April, a Sakizaya man from the Kaluluan Community, Zhang Mu-sheng, was collecting sand at the beach to mend the walls of his home. He was charged with violating the Sandstone Law. In addition, Zhang was also charged with grand theft because police considered the shovel that Zhang was carrying as a potentially lethal weapon. On June 30th, the court chose not to sentence Zhang, nor was he fined. I kept wondering whether I would be in prison. I hope that for my wife and children's sake that I would not be. I have been thinking about the incident every day. Now I have this piece of paper. I feel relieved that I do not need to worry about it anymore. In early June, the case received wide attention when hundreds of Sakizaya protested in support of Zhang. They demanded that the government respect the indigenous people's basic law as well as their traditions. I hope that the government will not act the same in similar situations. Officials should talk to the indigenous first, or at least give us a warning. We're old, not illiterate. Zhang says for the older generation, collecting sand from the beach was perfectly natural. Now, however, he understands the law and Zhang says he will abide by it. Although the case has been resolved, many communities still suffer due to contradictions between law and indigenous traditions. TITV Weekly.